My PC is probably gonna crash. I'm gonna start YouTube and see what happens. Like, it crashes once and then it's alright. And there's no worries. Yeah, my weekly zone is pretty much this little 4 hour. Holy shit.
Yeah, there's your crash. We're just waiting for you to come back now.
Oh my days. I fucking knew it.
Oh, it didn't crash yet?
No, I'm still alive. Is the YouTube up or not?
Yeah, you're up, man.
I can't read the chat. Give me a moment. How do you do that again? It's like to task manager or something. Oh shit. Okay. You know?
Class. Slick Productions.
Oh my days. Bro, did you see what happened?
You just turned into a robot.
Yeah, for real. I knew, like, YouTube has like a fault. I'm nearly 1000% sure. Okay, it says I have 19 tabs open. I don't. That's the thing. It's weird. It's not correct. And I'm not even using that much RAM. That's the thing. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. 6.3 gigs now. But that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna double up my RAM. I'm gonna buy this ASAP. I don't know how my YouTube is doing right now. Is it still fucked up status or not? Then I'm gonna reset it. Normally it crashes the PC. Oh, this time it survived. Let's see on YouTube real quick what it does. Good morning, I'm in. Andre, come on. Hello? Good morning, I'm in. Oh yeah, it's there. It's fine. But I think the quality isn't the best. Let me give it. Let me see. Recommend it. Higher pitch phone. Got a problem. I think. Fonts. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's alright. It's not bad. Currently. I want to see what Share Vision is doing. Share Vision is good. Okay, perfect. We're. It didn't even crash. Like it was about to crash. Yo, Chaz, it has to be the same. What's a defrag? What is a defrag? I need to search that up.
Yeah, if you go into your search bar, put defragmentation, you should get a pop-up somewhere. I haven't done it in a long time, but it should be there. Defrag.
It's not going to show my IP address and shit, innit? Or?
No. It's basically what it does. It cleans up your hard drive and your RAM. So it basically takes off all the unwanted files in regards to cache and all that lot, and then it kind of just puts everything into order. So once everything's into order, you should start to see errors that have come up and things that is fixed. It's pretty good. It's a good tool. So you just leave it running in the background, and it should fix a lot of things.
I see this.
Yeah, that's the one.
Fuck, where is it? Here.
Yeah, so you can defrag any of these drives. So do one at a time. Click on optimize.
But is it not gonna take like a shit ton right now when I'm streaming, or
Do you know what? It might do actually. So better to do it when you're not live.
I'm gonna leave it open and then do it after.
Yeah, it does work. It might take a couple hours to do.
Yeah.
But then you can come back tomorrow, and if you still have the same problem, then it's probably I don't know. Do you usually find it when you put YouTube on and share vision, or
Only YouTube, just YouTube, just it's only YouTube. That's the thing. Like, I can play like big games with high settings, no worries.
Oh really?
Yes, but if I do YouTube just I don't know what it does. It's just YouTube. Like it's the only thing that does it. YouTube. So weird.
Okay. That's that makes things a lot more difficult to diagnose. I think. 'Cause you don't know if it's YouTube or it's actually your computer. I doubt it would be YouTube itself.
People in the chat say do not defrag if SSD, and it is an SSD. They're both SSD.
Okay. Defrag, you're good, man. You're good to go. Defrag.
Okay. If you get new RAM, it has to be the same, right? The exact, like I got 2 sticks, but these next 2 sticks they have to be the exact same, right?
It's preferable.
Or they can be higher.
It doesn't have to be. It's preferable though.
They get also like 232 gigs, or just
What have you got at the moment?
two 8 gigs sticks.
Yeah, have you opened up your mini tab to see what you can put in there? How many more you can put in there?
My what?
Have you opened up your computer to see how much?
Yeah, I built it myself. I think I can
Okay,
fit
cool.
2
So then
extra.
you're
Wait,
good
let
to
me
go.
check.
You're good to go.
Oh no, fuck! I can't.
Oh, you can't.
No, I think I need a new motherboard then.
Yeah, you will.
Moederbocht. He's about to say that. He's about to start yapping off in Dutch. Only English on the stream, Luke.
By the motherboard.
Oh man, it's
Fuck thing.
cold.
Voila.
It is cold.
But yeah, it can only fit 2 right now. That's a problem. We got a problem. Okay, guys, going back to trading. Oh yeah, yo, it's Chaz.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
is there something I can also do like that manager when you start it up to make it faster?
What, when you actually start up your computer initially?
Yeah, and then get into that one thing where you can like change shit, right? I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, you can. It's F12 when you see the Windows icon, I believe. Or
Okay.
F11, 1 or 2. But only go into there if you know what you're doing, bro.
Okay. I don't.
So leave it alone.
No,
See, I
don't.
don't.
I know a little bit, but I don't know too much, so.
I don't know anything about computers, bro. Let me tell you. I just know how to start up my games, open up Tradingview.
Yeah.
That's about it.
All you need to do, right?
Yeah. Facts.
And I was out to play Halo.
Yeah. Age of Vampires, actually.
I don't care what you're playing, man.
Damn, so rude.
Depends on your motherboard. Mood.
Come on, go pump. If you know pump it up, you got to pump it up. And don't you know pump it up?
I think, like, I have to ask some people in the chat on, are there still problems on YouTube?
Let me open it.
I think so.
It looks good. I don't have the sound on though. Let me see. No.
No?
Nope.
What do you get?
Everything's good.
Everything
Quality's
good?
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Quality is at 1080p.
Big man thing. Yeah, I see it now too. That's good. Yeah, I don't know what YouTube lately has been weird. It's been really, really weird. Perfect, Draxus. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, let's see. Get some more parts up as well. Oh, sorry, it's not Monday anymore.
These 5 minutes just.
But you were waiting for it to go back over here. Could also look at some earlier ones, but currently do want to start to sell, but somewhere over here instead of over here or somewhere just over here. That's a better plan. Still as yesterday, easy cat after redo these analysis. We're at weekly resistance on Euro NZD. We've been waiting for this since over here, even a little bit earlier. So if we have one level over here that was created, it's already been retested. What's the stop on that? This 30-minute. Oh, this 35 pips. Holy shit! Expect that. Look on the 4 hour. 4 hour, we got this little candle. This might be one to start looking to sell away from. And the 30-minute, maybe retesting the 30-minute at this zone. This one over here. Open all the way up to this level.
Luke, your mic's muted, bro. On Zoom.
I know. I had to sneeze.
Okay. My bad.
Did we tap that zone? Yeah, we did. You know? 5 minute? Ooh. Nope. Good thing. Same size, pretty much. If it wants to go back one more time for that retest, I'm trying to take a sell maybe on Euro NZD. There's a probability that we might push further down back towards these lows again that we've created over here. I think that's a pretty good plan.
Euro NZD. What?
Yes. Sort of looking like equal lows, the way it's forming. The first tap, second tap, third tap.
I don't ever looked at that pair before.
Yeah, I was looking at it before when it broke out over here. I was coming back to this area. I was looking at this zone, weekly zone for sells. Let's see.
Trend's really nice though. What?
Yeah, it's very nice actually. I was waiting for it to come back, but I didn't check it for a couple of days. I checked it last time over here, and then the last 2 days I didn't really look at it. But now it's tapped pretty much the zone, and if you go to the 15, it like directly tap.
Coffee mug.
It directly tapped this area over here. So that was a nice confirmation if you wanted to take the base on that. There's like a 15 pip stop or something at the bottom. At a 20 pip stop. I'm gonna see if it can go back up one more time. Give one more rejection on the 15. It's rejecting again on the 30. It might possibly move down already. This was also some sort of an Possible entry. These two are also pin bars, I think, or at least this one. 12 pip and a 7. Yeah, it's also a pin bar. So there were already some confirmations for a sell. If it wants to go back up one more time, I'm probably gonna take it. For me right now, though, it's a little too low. We also, I think, Tuesday got some Euro news coming up. So let's see on that. We got Mr. Powell speaking at 4 o'clock, just after NYC. So.
Is it me or gold has just not been moving properly?
No. I was looking at yesterday London close, and normally London close has a lot of volume, and it's doing fuck all.
Gold's been moving very, very, very weird, bro.
Yeah, but the way it just closed now for you, you're Gucci, man. The entry is over here. It just retested. Now, if it decides to start flipping this candle, then you should continue up to the highs and then 98 and maybe 1809. Wait, it doesn't respect this. Pound yen, though, I'm waiting for it to go down. Waiting for confirmation in this zone, and then there's a very high probability that we're going to push back up. Yeah, this pair, I'm just going to wait for it to tap one more time into that zone.
What the fuck is this shit? That's insane.
What?
Just the way gold's dropping.
Look, are you looking at GJ sells to pass? There's a 4-hour retest happening now, but no, I'm not going to look for sells. Way too low for sells. Matt, this is my buying zone. How much did you go up?
I believe like
20?
20 pips or something like that.
Yeah.
29. I'm gonna put that shit at break even. I refuse to get fucking stopped out. Full position.
Yeah, 20.
Being up 30
20.
pips. Fuck that.
Yeah, that's not the smartest idea.
Like, come on, bro. What are you doing? Fucking gold, bro. I swear this gold's been messing with my emotions. You know what I don't understand? We're not gonna break that weekly support until some crazy news happens.
Yeah.
So why not just keep buying down there? And that's what I was doing yesterday too. Thanks. Coffee shit.
Like, come on, big. Euro CAD, Euro AED is moving this morning. Yes, Euro NZD is moving as well. Hopefully, we can get one more retest and give. If we get a confirmation candle, I might take it. But it's really on the move because if you calculate the amount of pips, it's really moving. I ain't gonna lie, this is moving. Like the way this price pushed up, I do want to know. 605. So I had a push of 100 pips. So this might be some news that's happening. That's one mad candle. As you can see, the previous candles never printed like that. So was there anything that caused it to do that? JPY things over here. Not over here. Maybe at Financial Juice.
That's a pretty good website.
Yeah, we're gonna probably stop using Forex Factory very, very soon. We're gonna continue on with Financial Juice. But the time is
That gold, it doesn't make sense for it to engulf damn near 1.5 candles and then print a doji bullish candle to go right back up. Doesn't make sense the way it moves. Okay, I'm in buys, but it just doesn't make sense.
it even has Dutch retail sales. Damn boy. You're gonna get in sales.
No. It doesn't make sense out of 5 minute. It just engulfs 1.5 candles and then
Yeah.
these 5 minute candles already pushing back up. Like, where's the logic in price action nowadays with gold?
Honor. I want to sell higher. I don't want to sell this.
Nah, I wouldn't sell. I'll at least try to sell at 17.99. At least.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was talking about Euro and SD at the same time. I was 17.99. Yeah, that's where I got one of my zones marked up. Or I want to be selling at a better selling zone here at 18.09.
Yeah, that's TP right there.
Just if you look in the 1 hour straight. So, and over here. If that doesn't happen, probably go to 22.23, and if that doesn't happen, we're going to 45, 44.50, or we're going to 65 or 55, 56. Various news out of GPY, and we shot no Essex. Active, what pump that? We don't know, yeah. Let's see. Buy 2. Good. Guys, we got to get those likes up. Those are absolute rookie numbers. That's even yesterday's NYC session did better than that in a short amount of time. Your dot is doing shit, man. He needs to pump. Shiba is up 23%. I had that Gala coin. Bought that shit at 6 cents. Sold it to buy something else. And then it went like times 10 times something. I didn't even know how much. It went all the way up to 84. You know. Okay, now times 14 over there. Mad. Stupid for me to sell that, but it's okay. We bought something else that was good as well, so not as good as Gala though. Target 1815, 1875. Let's see. Harmon, I don't know. No confirmation of the drop? Yes, there was a confirmation on the drop. I ain't gonna lie. This kind over here. And then 15, not much, but the 5 minute. I think the wick to body ratio is equal on this one, but because it was in the zone, you could have taken a shot at it. Maybe the 1 minute. 1 minute doesn't look the best. Oh wait, one more. If it like it's going up now, so that's good. See the open of this next 30-minute candle should be able to continue to up towards that area. If we then get a confirmation for a sell, yeah, then I'm gonna take my trade over here. Been waiting for this one a long time as well, so see. We'll be playing. But it's just a freaking retest over here now. It continues. It should break this level and continue up. And now around 1.5 hours for this 4-hour candle to close, so let's see. D30 waiting for price to come back over here to start taking sells. Good, that's making new lower lows, lower highs now, so now just want this candle to flip back up, tap this area, and then continue down again. GJ is pushing away from the zone. That was a nice confirmation of the 5-minute, I'm gonna lie, but 15-minute confirmation, 50-minute confirmation, but I wanted it to go a little bit deeper inside. I wasn't even actually here when this happened. Did see this, but I don't know. Just gonna wait. Maybe it's gonna retest this zone over here and try it one more time. Hopefully. Zone over here where you broke on the 4-hour, tap that zone one more time and then continue. Takes long.
Mr. Guala on the camp.
Bang, Rob. I was listening to the song Sammy made last time again, like a couple days ago.
Where is that song at anyway, bro?
You didn't hear it?
I heard it. I just never downloaded it or
I
had
have
it on my
it.
phone.
I have it on my phone. You want it?
Yeah,
It's
send
never
it to me.
coming out yet, so we have to wait for Sammy. But there has to be some cutting in that because there's some names in that thing that have to be cut out.
Yeah,
Starts with an S.
makes sense.
It
You
ends
don't
with an
want
A.
any. You don't want any copyright.
Yes.
That's not Shaz.
No.
I'll be a good book to be, man.
It ends with an A. It starts with an S. It ends with an A.
Okay, all right, cool, got you.
I got my people down in Georgia. I know my people.
You want me to send you it?
Yeah, you can send it.
It's pretty lit. I like it.
I remember. Yeah, I listened to it a couple times. It's just been a long time. You gonna send on WhatsApp?
Yes. I first need to
Alright.
find it. Give me a moment.
Who's in that
it's right
group?
here.
That big ass group.
Bro, I went from group to group to group, man. People come and go, literally.
Yeah, I left that group like right away. I was there for like a day. That was
Yeah.
it.
What's your view on Euro NZD? I'm waiting for a sell. I mean, this kind of closed well for a possible sell, but not. I just wanted to go one more time higher. It's okay. It's not the worst position to be in. Around that, like if you calculate from here to here, that's a 44 pip difference. Instead of you getting in maybe over here at this open, 30 pip stop, or even 15 pip stop. Now your stop is at least going to be around 14, 15 pips, at least. Probability wise, most likely, this candle is going to continue down. Yeah. 1 hour engulfed. Okay, now that's a big ass spread that pair, man. It's probably an exotic or something. Okay.
Which one?
That Euro and ZD. Big ass spread.
What was that? Like
2
3
pips. 2 pips, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, commission, are you mad?
Yeah, I can't stand. I can't stand spread, bro. I hate spread. I really do.
Well, I found an old school hit. I haven't heard it. Decade. Chico. What? Okay, I'm gonna check it out. Winning 5-8. GP NZD. Take a look in a minute. I'm gonna ask Euro USD as well. Shit. It's slow. It's going up now slowly, but pretty much tapped lower. I was looking at rejection away from this zone. Did not tap it. Barely. It did have a break of structure over here. Break of structure over here. Retest. Pretty much filled it. And now it's continuing. So most likely start looking for sells over here for a retest of the lows, maybe. Yeah, we try and pass all these zones. Maybe not in the 4 hour though, but overall trend currently definitely bearish. Well, it depends. You could also possibly say that we had this very bearish trend, and then that we broke out, and that we now have a chance to continue back up, but you can see we're still making lower tops. So if that wants to be breakout, it should have gone above this area over here. It didn't. So I would probably, most likely this is going to retest a zone over here at the top and then retest the low over here. There's a higher probability for price to do that. But that's pretty far away. It's like 240 pips away. So let's take a look at some shorter term trades as well. We have an engulfment over here on the 4 hour time frame, which is sort of a small block, not like directly to my liking. We have one rejection wick over here. This could have maybe been a retest of that zone. We already have this level retested. And overall, we got this pin bar over here, which is acting weird. That we might, most likely, you're gonna move in this zone a little bit and then drop down after. I'm gonna wait for it to go up. Try and take an entry somewhere. Maybe over here you could possibly start looking for a quick sell back to over this area. Maybe the top of this zone, so from 700 back to 100, around that, around the 60 pip range. Maybe, or you could also say, hey, because we're printing bullish now, I'm going to be looking at some buys. It's moving up pretty fast and slow move down, so currently we're a little bit bullish, but overall, higher time frame would be bearish. Gold. Yeah, I'm waiting on gold for it to go up to either sell, or I'm waiting for it to go down to either buy a little bit. Preferably sell. But if it gives me the right confirmation to buy, I'll always buy back up towards 50s, around that. But I'm just looking at this 4 hour, well, pretty much 1 hour level over here at 1809. Between 1815 and 1809. So if I get confirmation in there, I'm probably going to be looking to sell it back down towards the 70s, probably 70s or even the 60s. And over there, I'm going to be looking for maybe one more buy back up. but I don't want to speculate anything. Like, I don't want to. I'm not even going to say too much about this one. Sort of broke these lows over here, but sort of also held them. So we've got one double tap over here. We got equal lows sitting over here, so most likely we are going to make one more run down. But let's see. Pound yen. I'm waiting for that to go down to start buying. Go further down to start buying, and then see what happens. Yo, John Pete. Long time no see. They're sort of equalized over here, just a double tap. Won't really call them equalized yet, but I was looking into if I was able to call them equalized. It's around a 2-pip difference. There could also be some spread. The spread is low on this pair though, so could possibly break those. I don't find it to be the nicest pair currently, so I'm gonna step away currently from USD, a GP USD. I don't really like it. This is nice. It's pushing back up slowly. So if we find a confirmation over here somewhere higher up, I am going to be looking for a possible sell entry.
Good gold, man. Gold engulfs coming down, then it engulfs going up. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense.
15 or something.
5 minute, bro. 15, all the candles, bro. They're all weird. They're all fucked up.
Engulfment.
Every time frame is fucked up, bro. Piss me off. That shit better start flying to the moon, otherwise I'm gonna look for a new pair, I swear.
Dude. Yeah, I got a fun story. Like, okay, it's not fun. It's actually very bad. Well, it's actually fun but bad at the same time. After YouTube, it's to be honest, actually stupid. That's pretty much what it is. It's like stupid.
You stupid. You stupid.
Yeah, it's dumb. Like, straight up dumb. Guys, don't forget to also check out Share Vision. I'm also live on that platform, so make sure to also give a like over there. Let's see, we got 150 people in and we got 30 likes. That
Rookies.
shit upset me right now. Those are absolute rookie numbers. We're gonna pump those numbers up, guys. What is that? You know the vibe.
We get to 100 likes, I'll give you guys a signal.
PayPal first.
First, you gotta hit my PayPal.
Shit. Gotta pump those numbers up. Those are absolutely rookie numbers for sure.
Give you guys an exclusive koala signal.
So most people seen the video that I posted on YouTube. I'm gonna put it
I
up.
watched that actually.
You watch it?
With your hair pulled back. It was lit. Yeah.
I need to go to the barber, man, but I can't.
Yeah, at least you got hair. Mine's is about to fall out.
By the way, we hit 15.5k subscribers, so thank you guys for that. I appreciate that. But most of you probably seen this one. I want to know your feedback on it. Like, also the bad parts. What would you improve? I heard a lot of people and myself say I need to get a bigger board. I need to say less and and yeah, just let me know if you thought it was perfect and yeah, it's good. You would improve some things, or would say, you know, I would be looking for this and that. Then let me know right now in the chat. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure you go watch it. It's okay. Starting from the basics on that one. I think we're about to go to 1 million views. We have 104,000 views needed to go to 1 million. Isn't that mad? That's mad.
4,000 to get to. Oh, like that.
To 1 million. 1 million.
I'm at like 600.
Easy.
I'm on the way. Don't worry though.
You coming? Yeah, it's pretty good. Push it up 15.5k. Hopefully, next month, the month after. Well, next month it's December, so we can't expect too much. But maybe at the 16,000, that would be lit. They just wait for price to come back up to his own again. Like you're gonna, start panicking, selling over here because you got FOMO. Just let it go. Wait for your confirmation and take it, and just shut up.
It's that simple.
It's that simple. Your NSD is wanted. Yes, well, a little bit higher. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Look at that 4 hour. That 4 hour is about to, if the 4 hour flips, it's definitely gonna go back up to this zone over here. $15-minute candles about to close. Yeah, targets are going to be, first target's going to be pretty much over here. So if we go to the 4 hour time frame, top of this zone maybe. That's around, we start selling from the middle of this zone, around 100 pips. Okay, that's not going to be a first target, it's a little bit too big. Most likely this top zone. If we get a sell in somewhere in the middle over here, 60 pips. So first partial TP. Oh, what did I do? Oh, and then you got this both. No. And then we are going to probably be looking at somewhere at this candle as the next partial. That's around another 50 pips lower. And then the rest, you're going to leave as a runner all the way to here. You don't care about the rest. You take maybe 50 off here, 50 off here. You got 25% of your position running. And you're going to let the rest go all the way to this zone. You're not going to touch it in between. Just let it go. This area. That's around a 500 pip target. That's nice. I like it. Yeah, now it's pushing. You have to wait. It's nice. I like this. 15 close. Now, if we get a 15-minute pin bar, I'm probably going to take a sell based on that. So let's see. We've been 40. Yeah, bro. Actually. Good man, John. Man, like John making moves. John making moves. Are you selling gold? Currently, no.
What?
Someone asked that.
Gotta go.
How long you been in this trade already, man? From 8:30
For
One
a
hour.
petty ass 29 pips right now, bro. I'm about to just cut the whole shit and call it a day so I can move on with my life. Because I feel like I'm stuck.
Just close 50 and leave the rest run.
No, I don't like that. It's about
Morning
to
from
go.
Florida. Oh shit, you're morning midnight. You mean? Good morning.
Florida, that's where them island boys is from, huh?
Island boys trying to make it. Cause I'm an island boy.
They need to try to find some auto tune or something.
They got them
Damn.
palm tree things, man.
Bunch
Shit.
of wankers, I say.
That shit was horrible, boy.
Shez comes in. Bunch of wankers, I'd say.
I seen a video of him last week. I was like, what the fuck?
Something in the water this morning, man, on this stream.
Cause I'm an island boy. Who the like? I got questions. I got straight questions. I got questions for real. Mad. Pound yen just drop. No, it's already gone down now slowly, so that's okay. Got this 1 hour closure in around 13 minutes. I'm really taking it easy on Euro NCD, as I know this 1 hour might close strong.
He trying to clown me? Said there's someone sweating bullets right now.
Who is?
Is he trying to get on my bucket?
I don't
Do I
know.
have to fire him up real quick?
I mean, your choice.
Is that about me, sir?
It's
who I
probably
am?
about the island boys.
Okay. Sir. Mr. Poulet.
I don't like the 1 hour closure on this one. I mean, this 15 is looking like it's about to. Imagine last 10 minutes, just 1 hour just drops and drops and drops.
I see that shit happening with gold. I swear, bro. Look at this 5 minute
I mean,
formation. No.
the 1 hour is looking okay. Not the best, but it's okay. But the 30-minute looking like, I don't know about this.
Look at the
15.
5 minute, bro. 5 minute.
I
I
don't know
over
about that.
leverage these shorts every time. Oh shit.
Oh, like these were mad. Anyone onto NFT? Yeah, a little bit. About to buy some yesterday. There's a pretty good one. Like, it's a game, and you buy like little characters, and then these characters they work for you, and they get like, if you have like a full team, I think you get like 900 euros a month. You need some good ones, so they're now a little bit high in price. They do just work for you, like you don't even have to look at them.
I wonder why someone said I'm targeting 1850 on gold buy. I mean, it's possible, but it's a little absurd, bro. It's gonna take a long time.
Yeah, I saw that too. I was like, nah.
Not today. Probably in 2 weeks or something. Well, definitely one of my TPs though. I'm looking to invest in myself and learn something new again. Probably gonna look at a swing trading course here coming up. What's your thoughts on that, Luke?
Oh, what? I was thinking for a moment. Can we, like, say it again?
I'm about to invest in myself, and I'm looking to buy a swing trading course. Like, look for a swing trader.
Okay.
Buy a course like that.
Could be good.
And make a separate account to swing trade on.
I mean, if you find the correct person.
Yeah, that's the thing.
That's probably one of the hardest things.
Yeah.
.6 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. It's not closing the way I really want it to close. This 5 minute showed the first pin bar, but the 15 needed to show a little bit more. Your NZD seems to be buying. Yeah. Let's see.
And in 8 days, it did 600 pips.
Yeah.
That's
Mad.
insane. I was just looking at that pair. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, the way it moves looks good, but
Yeah, I was
Why
looking
did-
for sells at this daily zone over here. Pushed out. Now we're coming back. I'm in the first reaction. Now it's taking people out on the highs over here. And now it's really tapping in the top of the zone at the 15. And then drop. As long as it respects these highs, then we're good. But I don't know.
yeah, I don't know how that pair reacts, so I really can't talk about it.
Yeah, so I know a little bit about it, but not too much. Straight.
Hold at a level like that is rejecting.
Yeah, yeah.
If it's not on news, if it's on news, it's gonna fly through there. Oh my God, talking about gold. Jesus Christ.
Ooh, that doesn't look the best.
Nope. I told you that right there. Well, that 5 minute candle. Those are sales all day.
Yeah.
It just told me earlier. The 1 minute might even flip, or the 1 hour might even flip. Sorry.
You know, the spread on this pair is high, man. Way too big. Yo! Man, like, Max! How you doing, man?
Scared the
I'm doing
shit out of
15.
me, bro.
I'm doing 15 pips up on gold. That's
Ooh.
what I'm doing.
Yeah, buy,
He's shorting
sells.
it, no, he's shorting it. Yeah, see,
Okay.
I told you. Those candles right there, those are over leveraged sells. But I'm in buy, so I can't just switch my bias like that. I'm about to get stopped at BE.
I might get stopped out, break even, but I've closed.
Yeah, we're like in the same thing. Like I closed 50% at 30 pips, and I'm at break even now. Might get stopped out, and you might get stopped out.
Hey, remember I was up 100 pips the other day in gold?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
I was
And that
100.
push up?
It pushed up, but I didn't close it, and I went to bed, and it hit my.
I am 10 up
break
on.
even. It completely dropped and
This one.
hit my break even.
Let's see if the shit can hold. I'm 10 up on this one. No, a little bit more. The spread is mad big. I didn't expect that. That's weird. We're currently like 12 up, but
Yeah, I just missed 100 pips on. It's about 80 pips now on US 30. I took gold instead, but I think gold should continue to drop at least to 1790.
Yeah, but if
If I
this
don't
1
get
hour,
stopped there.
this 1 hour closes like this, the next 1 hour is gonna give you a wick down to fill that wick and continue higher to 1799. It needs to close like this though. But if it does that, it's gonna stop me out at BE. So
I mean it's going down now. I'm up 15. That's nice. Okay.
you're
Are
in
you
gold
trading?
shorts as
No,
well.
I'm in Euro NZD shorts.
Mm.
I'm in shorts over here. Shorts on 700. I'm up around 14, 15 pips. Let's see.
Watched about 5 minutes of your video the other day. Luke.
Like, what?
I watched about 5 minutes of your whiteboard video. Looked good.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, it was just a basic, so for most people, it wasn't interesting.
Someone said you need a bigger whiteboard.
Yep, I'm already planning on to. I was
Yeah.
already looking, buy one, bigger one. I bought this one. I was like, maybe this is fine size, but
Yeah.
it's just too small.
I'm up 22 pips. Keep going, please. Keep going. See if this. Yeah, I'm not convinced, but
You might get that 1 hour flip.
it's.
Oh, it's 38 seconds. Never mind.
Spread on this pair is big though, like not normal.
So you're trading Euro New Zealand.
Currently, yes. I saw the opportunity. I was waiting for this one for a very long time to go back up. So if you look on the daily time frame, but that pushed down, right, from this consolidation area, it pushed down, and then we had this candle formed over here, and then we pushed back into this candle, like with these candles, broke the highs, and the 15-minute time frame, there's actually like a pin bar candle, which I was waiting for. But if I get tapped out, I break even. So it is what it is. And now we tapped into this candle, so I was looking for sells at that area. But let's see. I already went up 15, so I'm not gonna, play around in this one.
New hour on the gold.
Yeah.
New hour. 25. Let the rest go.
But yeah, let's see what happens. The 1 hour is going up without a bottom wick, so. But the spread is just enormous.
Yeah, the minor pairs have a bigger spread.
Yeah, I'm out on this one. Break even.
But they also move a lot more pips too.
Yeah, this is moving very quickly. Very, very quickly.
Gold is going to come back up and knock me out.
I'm surprised it's not tapping me out at BE.
Are you short?
No, I've been long since fucking 8:30 a.m. I've been in this trade for 1.5 hours and I only caught 30 pips.
Oh.
That's why I like shorting, bro. It happens so much faster.
Yeah, because shorting is where all the fear is.
Yep.
If
Exactly.
everything's going well, then it just everything's good. I'll just cruise. But if a car's coming at you at 80 kilometers an hour, 100 kilometers an hour, then you start to panic and you
Exactly.
start to swerve and start to do crazy things. That's shorting.
I've always looked at it like this. if you climb a mountain, takes a long time.
Yep.
If you jump off, you'll hit the bottom quick.
Bro, you dropped. Yeah, it's piss.
I don't want to be a player no more. Well,
Better don't let your girlfriend hear that.
I said I don't want to be a player no more. Yeah, it's
But
good,
that means that you still won.
That's not true. I'm good.
Boy, my heart be pumping so fast. Why?
Over leveraging. Oh, Jesus. Come on, Gold. You're 10 pips away from my entry. I need you to move away, man. With all due respect to Max. But Max, I don't want to get stopped out at BE.
Well, I made a good profit. I've just got a runner. See what
Okay.
happens.
Yeah, this is my runner as well.
I don't mind now. Can do.
Oh, Pooh, you had a very good entry.
Want to get that 300 pip.
Bought
runner.
Forex, yeah. 300 pip runner.
I like to get a
Okay.
300 pip runner.
Okay.
Sasha, she always gets the 300 pippers.
Oh shit.
Are those
Max
that-
came back and he started violating.
That's so funny.
Straight violation. No regret. But
Yep, look at it go. Look at it go.
stop me out.
30 pips. Go, you
Oh
good
my
shit.
goodness.
US 30 must be going up. Yes.
That's insane.
Come on. Alrighty.
the call.
Oh well.
Red is like 2 pips on it. Mad. The 1 hour needs to make a own wick, so it's definitely gonna flip. But when that's gonna happen, we don't know. It's the last 4 hour. 1 hour in the 4 hour candle, so let's see. If I know it's gonna go further up, then I'm just gonna re-enter. I was already up 15, so let me get a re-enter higher. Especially with this little engulfment over here, so let's wait and get best entry and then drop it down. It's like a 2.2, 2.5 pip spread. Mad. What's your TP in gold? I'm not I'm not on gold, bro. I've got something in my fucking. Sorry.
I think if you look at the 4 hour on gold, it's going to flip bullish.
Yeah, I was looking at that a long time already. At the same time, since the morning when it opened, this kind of went down without top wick. Let me mute my mic real quick.
Yeah, I got a. Oh, yours is. Yeah, mine's got a week. I'm looking at mine. Are you on 4 hour? Yeah. Mine has a week.
Yeah, mine has.
I've given up on Tradingview. I just use my MT4.
Oh my days. Look at this. Look here, this one. The farmer. A lot of talk about the whiteboard. Remember, it's not the size of your board. It's what you do with it. Oh my days. Yeah, let's wait for this to go higher and then get a rejection. That would be mad. 15-minute now. I like that. Pick out some buyers. Tight stop loss. Any bullish? Let's see. Oh shit. Yeah, maybe. I just don't like the way it's moving over here. It's not my cup of tea.
These candles on the 5-minute on gold are looking healthy though, except for this one. They're healthy short candles. A lot of volume.
Yeah.
Well, that means that I'm gonna have to go look lower or more buy entry.
Boy.
Except if this 4-hour closes bearish, then me no comprende.
Chupapi moñaño. Yeah, went down like 16, 15, 16 pips, so I wasn't gonna risk to go into drawdown. Now just waiting for one more better entry. You see, like 10, 15 pips, it's an accident. Just ask Koala. It's an accident.
Unless if you're buying gold. You need a short gold though. Jesus Christ, I fucking
As long as it respects my high, then my zone is valid. If it doesn't,
it is what it is, pimp. I don't want you playing no more.
Driving and can't see the screen. No worries, Fatima. No worries. I'm not personally in. I was in Euro NZD on sales. You know how much percent? Like it's with the 2 pip spread takes away from the actual lot size you're in. It's mad.
Yeah, spread is annoying.
Yep. Have you done anything with D30 last week or today?
Yeah, I've just been US 30. I mainly do it in the morning. Did I trade this morning? I did trade this morning. Yeah, which was yesterday for you.
Yep.
It was still closing New York. Yeah, I think I got a trade at around 3 hours before close. 3.5 hours. Yeah, somewhere in there. But it made a huge drop today.
Yeah.
My time about, it's in the middle of the night in New York. Asia's closed. And London's not open yet. And it drops fucking 300 pips.
I mean, where is it?
If you have a look at here on US 30, look at that big candle.
This one.
What do you want? 1 hour? Yeah.
Oh.
How many pips is that?
For me, that's like, that's just before. Oh, yeah, it's midnight. Nothing is open.
Yeah.
That's 466 pips. That's crazy.
Yeah. It's like was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. No, it was 4 o'clock because Asia was already closed for an hour.
This has to be some kind of news because if you look at Euro NZD, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
I looked for news. I didn't see anything.
Same thing.
Could have been something, but they just sneak up on you in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
You can't be everywhere all the time.
Sure.
Like
Hey, you
now,
can.
my-
If you're one person, you can be. I'm not gonna say any names. Starts with an S, ends with an
ninja.
A.
Oh, shit.
Jesus.
Because
Guys are
I'm an
killing it.
island boy.
Jesus Christ. And open up a demo account too.
All of a sudden,
Oh shit! Guala's going in.
he's going in for the kill. He's going in for the critical shot.
Let me grab some tea.
Smoke is rising, man. Smoke is rising.
Grab some tea real quick, man. Thirsty.
Tea break. Tea break.
Tea break. Time out, guys. This is a timeout. Pause. I don't want to play anymore.
Don't ever make that laugh again, boy. It sound like you was.
You can't help your laugh, man. You can't help your laugh.
It sound like I was just in the zoo real quick just now, boy. I had to look behind me, make sure there wasn't no apron on this motherfucker. Sound like a dried up cockroach.
I don't know if I should be laughing.
I'm dead. I'm done.
He said,
Look.
Oh god, I said there was something in the water this morning, man.
you need some, yeah, you need
Fuck,
some
I can't
water.
even-
That's what you need. I got some for you.
The asthma's
You need some
coming.
water.
The asthma is coming, man.
Yo, rude.
I'm muted. I'm muted. Get the fuck out of here.
He muted me while he was giggling. Alright, I'm done. For fuck's sake, mate. This is ridiculous, mate. Yeah.
Is Max, is the police in Australia, are they like strict on speeding?
Yeah, there's a lot of speed cameras around.
Also in the desert.
Sorry?
Also in the desert part.
I don't know about that. I haven't been out in the desert. In New South Wales, there's a lot of speed cameras. I'll tell you a story in a minute.
Okay. I'm an island. I got that in my head. Thanks, Koala.
What'd I do?
Started talking about the island boys. Yeah, this doesn't look the best right now. But overall, this 30-minute can still give a confirmation for a possible sell. But it's shot up like 34 pips, so not yet. Guys, we gotta push those numbers up, man. We haven't even touched 100 likes yet.
Get those rookie numbers out.
Yeah, for sure. They're really, really low. Dude. Oh. 30 minutes. Now slowly. I do see this kind of flip. Like, I see it just taking out in people over here. I'm biased, taking previous stop losses out from the people that were in this candle. And just flip this candle and then continue down. That's very, very high probability. The only thing I don't like is the way the 15-minute candle closed. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the YouTube on this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to also check out www.lk.london.session. Yeah, and I'll see you guys another time again. Peace out. And also, don't forget, let me go to quick Instagram things. Get to follow man like Bank Robber FX over here. make sure to give him a follow. Put the link in the chat, and make sure to always like all them posts, and make sure to always follow me as well on Instagram. Got to get those rookie numbers up over here. Yeah, and I'll see you guys later on, probably tomorrow morning London session. Peace out.